I bet you didn't know you can slash your energy costs by 38% without installing any solar panels. Yes, you heard that right. With Community Solar, you get all the perks of solar energy without the hassle or upfront costs. No need to own a home or install equipment, perfect for renters like you. By joining Community Solar, not only do you save money, but you also support local renewable energy projects. That means a cleaner, greener community for everyone. And here's the best part. State-backed discounts make it super easy to pocket those savings each month. Imagine more money in your wallet and a smaller carbon footprint. It's a win-win. Ready to cut your energy costs? Sign up today and start seeing the savings on your next electric bill. For more info, contact Ryan Zillion at 217-248-3550. Don't miss out. Make the switch to Community Solar now.